Hello everyone.
Hi.
We're leaving for Maine.
Where
all
we going,
going for the
Jake?
first time. Where are we going, Jake?
Jake, where are we going?
New York.
New York first.
New York first.
Well, not really. It's just a pass through, but
We got an early start, which has never happened
I
before.
don't know. I guess early.
We're leaving at night instead of early in the morning, so we'll see where we end up. But now let's get on the road. Let's go, Jake.
Yay.
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 Good morning, Jake. We made it as far as... How far are we, Jake?
At the hotel.
In Bridgeport. Where are we gonna go now?
We're in Connecticut.
We're gonna end Connecticut.
Ja. Och vad ska vi do?
Go to Maine.
Yeah, we're going to Portland. Jump in the car. We should be there in 4 hours. It is 8:30. We had a good sleep, didn't we, Jake?
Yes.
You had a good sleep?
Yes. I woke up for so long.
But now we're jumping in the car. You ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. We've reached our first stop on our way to Portland. We're in New York.
What did you say?
It's called York.
Oh, they said New York. I was like, what?
We're going to visit the Nubble Lighthouse.
Maybe we'll see some seals,
Should be
Jake.
cool. We've reached our first main destination. We are, Jake.
I see seagulls too.
Nubble Lighthouse. Look. Welcome to Maine, everyone.
Welcome to Maine. Welcome to
Ogunquit, Perkins Cove.
Perkins Cove. It
Yeah.
is beautiful.
We just
Perfect.
stopped at the Nubble Lighthouse, which was
Yeah,
also
it was
super
so
cool.
nice. And now we're about to have twin lobster rolls and some corn and a burger for Jake. Fresh squeezed lemonade.
Yeah,
Watching the boats.
Very
Enjoying
cool.
some beautiful weather and scenery. It's
A
gorgeous.
boat?
And boats.
been
And
unbelievable so
it was
far.
a really easy drive. We are happy to be here. Going to head to Portland.
Let's have some lobsters,
Soon.
Jake.
Say lobsters.
Lobsters.
Yay!
Yay.
Look at this lunch. First
With
lobster.
the big lobster.
I think Mommy's gonna have a great trip.
You
My
like
favorite.
it? Look at this.
Lobster's my favorite.
Chips. Chips.
Pretty nice.
How do we even eat
First
it?
lobster, the chip.
Chips.
Oh, they got chips, yeah. Is that what you were having, Jake?
Yes.
And hamburger? How do you like that $18 lunch?
$18 for 2 gigantic lobsters and corn. This would have been like $200 at home. Easy. It was delicious.
And it was delicious.
Right off the boat.
Jake, how do you like the lobster?
I don't like